Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Students, how are you? Students, we welcome all of you in our Mom Education channel. Students, today we are going to learn basic cost accounting, in which the topic is process costing and its other name is cost of production report. Dear students, let's we move to its 17th problem. Abnormal loss in first department, and also material are added at the beginning. Students, let's we move to read the given problem, which is in front of you in your screen. Let's to read this problem. Problem number 7.17. CPR stand for cost of production report. Abnormal loss in first department. Materials are added at the beginning. In mixing department of Kamil Chemical Company Limited, all materials are put in process at the beginning of the manufacturing operation. During August, direct material costing rupees 4 lakh 49,000 and 189 rupees was assured to start production of 2,834 units. Direct labor and factory overhead costs incurred during the month were 1,89,584 rupees and 1,26,608 rupees respectively. At the end of month, 200 units one-fourth converted were in process. During the month, due to frequent electricity shutdown, 120 units were lost. At the time of loss, the units were on the average half converted. Required to prepare the cost of production report. Students, in this question, the main point is here. It is saying in this question, materials are added at the beginning. It's mean that still in process units, the material is used 100%, and also in lost units, the material is also used 100%. It is a logic which you have to learn here. In examination point of view, if this type of question is come, then we have to treat this process in this problem. Students, you must learn about this. Materials are added at the beginning it means that 100% materials are used in unit steering process and unit processing process. Now friends, before we solve this problem, we have to discuss about the abnormal laws firstly. For this purpose, we have to move other slide as a abnormal laws. What is the treatment about the abnormal laws in given problem? Meaning of abnormal laws. Abnormal laws is the laws of units not expected to arise under efficient operating conditions. It not some extent or carelessness. The reason of abnormal laws include defective materials or poor workmanship, machine breakdown, or some other contingency. Abnormal loss represents inefficiencies in the manufacturing process. Therefore, it is improper to treat it as a part of product or as a part of product. Cost of goods units. Cost of abnormal loss is treated as separate unfavorable item and is shown as such in cost of production report. It is debited to factor overhead control account or to a separate expenses account to be charged directly against revenues of the period and is credited to the Department Work in Process Control account, being an indicator to inefficiencies. Abnormal loss requires immediate attention of management. For the purpose of computing units cost, units of abnormal loss are included in equivalent production after adjustment for degree of completion. Consequently, units cost represents cost per unit as if there were no loss. In the third section of cost of production report, cost of abnormal loss is shown separate item. Dear student, this is the summary about the abnormal loss. I think you understand about this statement. Now we move the main slide to solve this problem. This is the main slide to solve this problem. The heading is Camil Chemical Company Limited, Mixing Department, Cost of Production Report for the month of August 19 dash. We move to first section as a quantity schedule in which we put the unit starting process, which are 2834. Now students, units transfer to the department number 2, which is the units are 2540 units are units completed and transferred to the department number 2. Units in process 200 units and unit loss in process 120 units here. Student, this is our first section as a quantity schedule which have we completed here. Now we move to the section 2, cost charge to department. The direct material cost is 4,49,189 here as the direct material cost. 1,89,584 as a direct labor cost 1,26,608 rupees as a factory overhead cost here. Now we add all these figures here. Add the sum of this is a 7,65,381 rupees as a manufacturing cost in department 1. Dear students, we have right here total cost to be accounted for. Total cost to be accounted for here. Students, now we have to find out the per unit cost against direct unit cost, direct labor cost and factory overhead cost. For this purpose, we have to move 4 section as a additional computation in which we have to find out the equivalent production here. Now students, we have to put all types of units which are completed, which are still in process and which are lost in process here. To find out the equivalent production, firstly we have to put the lost in process units here, which are 120 units, 120 units, 120 units. Student, degree of completion is here 100% as a material, 50% as a labor, and also 50% as a factory overhead here. Now we'll find the degree of completion here. We have to multiply 120 with this percentage. Now we have to copy this below to find the labor and FH units here. Students, these are the completion units in lost-in process is 120 units as a material, 60 and 60 units as a labor and factory overhead. Now we will move the completion units which are 2,514 here, 2,514 here, 2,514 here. Now we move to the units which are still in process here, which are 200 units, which are 200 units, 200 units and 200 units here. The degree of completion is 100% as a material, 25% as a direct labor and 25% as a factory overhead. The students, we have to find out here completion units in still in process and then ending inventory here. We have to multiply 200 with the percentage form. This is the 200 units. We have to copy under this again. Students, these are the units which are completion in the still in process inventory. Now we add 3 form of units, like as 120 units as a material in lost process, 2,514 units as a completed units and transfer the next department, and 200 units as a still in process department. Here we have add these 3 completion units. This is the material equivalent production here. We have copied here again. So these are the equivalent production about material, labor and overhead here. Now students, we move to find out the per unit cost here. The material cost is 4,49,189 here, same as 1,89,584 here, 1,26,608 here. Now degree of completion is I have to put here as a material 28, 34, 26, 24, 26, 24 here. Now we will find the final cost as a divided by total cost against given cost like as material, labor and overhead by dividing the pure production here. So this is the final cost against material. Students, 158.50 rupees as a per unit cost against material cost. Now we have to copy it here again. These are the other per unit cost amount, direct labor and factory overhead here. Now students, our abnormal loss amount is here. You are seeing above first section the unit loss processes are 120 units. Material is the 100% commission form, and then the commission of work is 120 units, and per unit cost is 158.550 as a material. Then we have to find other labor and factory overhead same this manner. The total abnormal loss is 6,450 rupees as a total abnormal loss against the 120 units loss process here. Now we will move the second section to put the per unit cost in here. K49, this is the per unit cost against material. K50, this is the per unit cost against labor. K51, this is the per unit cost against factory overhead. Now we will add these three values here. This is the total per unit cost against first department manufacturing units. Students, now we'll move to third department. For cost accounted for as follows, in which we have to find out the cost of units which are transferred to the second department here. Students, 2,514 units are completed and transferred to the second department. The per unit cost is this is the per unit cost. This is the per unit cost here. The value of cost of the units which are transferred to the second department is 7,01,406 rupees here. So student, this is abnormal loss which are treated as a separate account as a factory overhead control. These losses transfer to the factory overhead control to charge the whole production with the given period. Working process and ending inventory is adjustment cost from preceding department. There is no units which are preceding department here. Adjustment cost units still in process. Students, you know that 200 units are units which are still in process. 200 units Degree of completion is 100%. The cost is K 49. Same as the technical cost is also, the units are 200 units which are still in process. The degree of completion is 25%, 25%. The cost per unit is K 50. Now students, same as factory overhead, 200 units are still in process. Degree of completion is 25% and the cost is 51. These are the costs which are units still in process. Now we add these costs here. This is the summation amount is 37,725 rupees. Now we add these three costs here. So the final value is 7,65,381 rupees. Student, this is a reconciled figure which must be equalized with the second section in total manufacturing cost here. 7,65,381 rupees, and this is equalized with this figure 7,65,381 rupees here. Students, both figures are equalized. It's mean that our question is 100% accurate. Dear students, I think you have learned this problem clearly. If you have any queries from in this video, please comment me on my channel so I can try my best to remove your problems at once. Dear students, if you are clear about this problem, please subscribe my channel and like it. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.